our Palawan Birkat with a scientific name of Arctictis binturong, or locally known as the binturong folks. Now guys, did you know that their tail can act as a fifth limb, meaning it is prehensile in nature? The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga objects na isang galing lang ng ating mga kamay. Yes po, ganyan ang tail. Same sa mga monkey. At syempre, ipapakita po yun ni Terry sa atin ngayong hapon mo. No, Terry? Show us your prehensile tail, Love. Ayan, wait lang na natin. Dapat makapunta muna si Terry sa kanyang pwesto. No, Terry? Again, show us your prehensile tail. Are you ready to go down, boy? At ayun na siya, folks. Bababa na yan. Pero wait lang muna natin, ha? Ayan o, Terry. Ayan na siya, folks. Once again, that is our prehensile tail in action. They are doing that in the wild to grab some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan po natin si Terry, guys. At ngayon po, si Kuya Lex na kami yung lalapit din sa kahay. Okay, so may direct attention again. To your right side na naman. Now we call on Uno, the older brother of Teddy. Now guys, ito lang po. Si Uno po ay medyo mahiyain. And again, we don't want to change their behavior. Kung ayaw talaga mag-perform ni Uno ngayong hapon, si Kuya Saril po yung akit sa kahoy, guys. Joke lang. No guys, Palawan Bearcats are endemic here in the Philippines. Ibig sabihin po ng endemic, dito lang po sila sa Pilipinas nakikita. Specifically sa Palawan. And the reason that there is bear in their names is because they can stand up using their two hind legs. At syempre, ipapakita yan yung unang-uno, up, up, up. Ayan na siya, folks. And there you go. Once again, that is their two hind legs in action. Thank you so much, Uno. At syempre, si Teddy again. Now, folks, fun po kapag Palawan Bearcat, did you know that their poop and their feet smells like a fresh popcorn? Yes po, amoy popcorn yung pupo nila. And then omnivore sila. Ibig sabihin, kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas at karne. At yung hapon ang pinapakain mo, Kuya Cyril. Ano yan, folks? Ano yan? Saging or banana, which is so omnivore sila, ha? So ito, meron na naman akong tanong. First question, what kind of animal ang kumakain lang